This is our video number 2 for the Donaldson 13-ton air-cooled chiller test. There's 2 temperature controllers here. One is clearly labeled a set point. That's the only one you really need to adjust. The other one here is for freeze stat, and that's just a safety to shut down in the event that the water is too cold inside of it to prevent freezing. And the typical number that you have for that is 42. And we got a note there, freeze stat, do not adjust. For what this application is going to do in a plastics manufacturing environment, you really shouldn't have to change that. So right now, again, we have the water set heated up to about 85 or so. All you do is press the set point. And we're going to bring it down to 45. And once you get down to that 45, you're just going to press select again to store it in memory. Select. So I selected it and it turned on, and it's going to read the actual temperature, of course. But you should start seeing it to chill right away. So that's your main power disconnect. That's your on-off button after you put the main power on. When that's on, the pump is on. It'll stay on. The unit does have a built-in delay in the controller on the original startup for the day or the week, whatever. It will want to see the pump run for a certain amount of time. I think it's like 3 or 4 minutes. And that there is your water pressure piping. Or I guess the pressure for your water, I should say, your pump pressure. You have both fans running. They are VFD controlled, which is nice. Inside the controller, that's your variable frequency drive. No need to do any adjustments on that. And these are your high and low pressure switches for the refrigerant already adjusted. This does use R407C, which is nice also. And your various contactors, overloads, and relays for the rest of the control circuit. Now, we'll down to like 72. We've been running this for a couple days, just making sure everything is okay. Make sure all the refrigerant charge is complete. And also check the compressor oil. Here's your inlet if you don't want to do it manually for the tank. You can do it here. That's an outlet for overflow, I guess. This symbol here is from process. And this is your connection out to process. And we just have a simple loop set up. We have it throttled back a little bit to make sure there's enough back pressure for a complete test. And here's your sight glass window for the tank. So we'll come back with video number 3 in a second as we get close to the set point. We're already down to 66.